So let us continue through this. I have shown you. Let me provide my database. My database was this. So let us continue. I have create.js, read.js, which means that in our terminal we can write node-create.js will be look like this. A document was inserted with the ID this 472 started with 669, and I have to copy this, and here I can write node-create.js because our file was read.js and paste my ID of data user inserted and press enter. Will be provided our ID was 472, which was this name Ariana Grande, age 27, address and the email. As I become from my database Crude one and refresh it, let me refresh it. It will show me result of, you look, the output was 472 like this. This is an inserted data which have an ID of 472 and 6690 at the starting point. Let us come from here and write update.js. Our update will be, let's update user data. Here we have to write const curly braces Mongo client like this, and provide an object ID, Mongo client object ID, server API version, server API version equal to require Mongodb like this, and then close and initialize the link URI equal to, my link was this. I have to paste it right and come here on update.js and paste my link here and the semicolon and const client, initialize my client equal to new Mongo client bracket URI and open curly braces, initialize server API version will be server API version dot v1 comma and strict will return true, strict true, comma, and depreciation error will be equal to true, and then comma, async function update document bracket ID update field right, and then I have to open two curly braces and try the catchy function, open two curly braces and put catchy here like this, and then inside the try I have to write await because we use async function. Async function await client dot connect bucket client dot connect and write const database equal to client dot db bracket Crude Mongo because it's my database name Crude Mongo. After I have to keep semicolon here and also initialize the collection name const collection equal to database dot collection. So the collection name will be users. We have to build user was this because my user collection name is this, and then keep semicolon here. After providing the collection name, we have to write const query. My query will be equal to id new object id bracket id. After writing this, I have to keep semicolon here and then only one semicolon, and then I have to write const update equal to okay. I have to provide $, set because it is on update our data. I have to write the set like this and write update field, and I have to keep semicolon here and press enter. After writing this, I have to write const result equal to await collection dot update 1, same like this, and then my query on side of parameter I have to put it query and update and semicolon here and provide if condition. If bracket I result dot matched count, let me write this dot matched count equal to 1. I have to open two curly braces and output will be console.log backticks successfully updated document, right, like this, with the ID which is bracket ID and semicolon here ID. I have provided it like this. Let me keep this like small I. That is fine, and close and write else console.log back else console.log. Let me try to provide information like no document matched the query like this dot updated updated 0 document. So fine. Okay, let me keep semicolon here and close. On my cache, let me try to cache an errors. I have to cache inside parameter. I provide this L as an error and open console.log error while updating documents like this, provide an errors. So two parameters, and then I'll close it and let me keep semicolon here and write finally. So documents, and I have to keep it here finally. Let me try to write like this. Finally, console dot log error. Oh, that was fine. Not provide output here. Finally, I have to write await function by closing my program. Client dot close like this, and after I have to get, let me comment here, get the ID fields from the command line arguments from here. So const ID 1 2 3. Let me write an updating. Let me try to write update args as an argument equal to process dot argv dot slice bracket 2, and then let me try to write const update fields like this as I initialized above equal to object dot from object. Here I can write capital letter object dot from entries, like this, bracket update arguments dot map bracket arguments equal to arg dot split. Fine, dot split like this, and then places. So let me keep equal here and then close. Fine, and then let me try to update document like this, two brackets and ID dash update field dot cache console dot deal, like this, right? Our program maybe was successfully written correct. Let me try to to check here on the command line. Let me try to update. By updating, I have to write my file node-update.js. As you see, my ID was this. I have to keep it to paste it here. Node-update.js. My ID was this. I have to keep it here. Then I can update. Let me try to update age. Age was 27. Age let me equal to 27 because is an integer. But here let me try to update the address 123 main st like this. Let me paste it here, but let me try to change it. Let me try to write it as 467 new main st. And because okay, that was fine. Like this is fine, and press enter. The output was show me successfully updated in document with the ID like this 472 before was. Let me try to on my database was Ariana Grande 6472123 main.st. When I try to refresh it, look, fine. Ariana Grande 27123. So let me try to update it well. Let me recognize to update this well by updating it. Let me try to change here on age 28 will be equal to 28 address. I have to make it equal to 469 new main st like this. And let me, because it's a string, to give it double quotation like this and press enter. The output will show me successfully with the ID 72. By here, come and refresh. Let me try to refresh. The result will be equal to age 28 email arianagrande.com address will be. As you see, the age has been updated. So let us, and the address, so gukora byanditse nabi. Senda wabyishinge. So my node dash create.js was giving me an ID of 6690 edef5, and when I write node dash create.js, it gives me another ID. Let me try to write node dash read.js. Node dash read.js, and ID was this. I try to meze sawa shangiye kuyasoza kabisa. Ko bimeze